Good morning, everybody. I wanted to hop on. Hold on, I'm going to turn my light on. We'll just do it on low. But anyhow, I wanted to hop on and do a video for you. This is something a little bit different than what I will typically be doing. But these are just some things that I wanted to share with you. And it does tie into saving money. I'm sure you already know what the video is about because you've read the description, which is why you even clicked on this video. But when I'm out shopping, and I know I've talked about this a million times on this channel, about when I'm out shopping, I shop on a budget. Now, a lot of times when I'm shopping, one of the tactics that I use is if I'm going to purchase something or I need to purchase something, it's something not food, but something tangible. I'm trying to think of things that I buy that would be a tangible item. If I need, okay, I don't know when this video is going up, but I'm assuming that this will go up before I get my new desk. And I'm going to do a video, like a vlog, and I'm going to put the desk together. So I bought that so I could have a desk in my living room. I just thought that that would be more convenient. And then my desk in my spare bedroom is kind of big, and I don't need a big desk. I just wanted some little small desk that I could put my desk chair at and just be able to be in there and do my work, do my schoolwork, make YouTube videos, and I'd have a pretty background rather than you guys look at my spare bed. So, moving on. When I purchased said desk, I purchased it from Walmart, and I went from the Walmart website to Amazon to price check. I wanted to see if I could find a desk similar to the one at Walmart, because I liked that one, on Amazon. I could not. And the prices on Amazon, even on different ones that I did like, my neighbor's out mowing her yard, so I apologize. This woman mows her lawn more than any woman I've ever met in my entire life. I love her to death, but she loves to be out mowing. My lawnmower, side note, is broken. I hit a rock, a big rock, and my mower was not happy. And my handyman, I have a handyman that helps me when something breaks because I'm single, and I can't fix everything. I try, but I sure as hell cannot fix everything. He's supposed to come over hopefully this week and fix that lawnmower because I have got to mow. It's bad, and I don't want to push mow it. So anyway, so I checked the prices and I ended up going with Walmart, but there's some items that I wanted to share with you. Now, this list is kind of all over the place. I have small items, I have larger items. Couple of the items I'm going to sit here and talk to you about. I'm going to take you around the house and show you different things. I'm going to tell you what I paid for it on Amazon, what the price at Walmart would be for that item, and how much money I saved. So there's that. Links to everything I'm talking about are down in the description box. So if you are new here and you like this type of content, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And while you're down there, you might as well hit the like button as well. I mean, what else are you going to do? Anyway, it just takes 1 second. Click, click, done. It's not a big deal. So, if you guys have deals that you have found on Amazon, leave those in the comment box below to help everybody out as well. And these items range. They're inexpensive items to more expensive items. So, and some items I've talked about before, and you're probably sick of hearing about them. But now my affiliate links, just so you know, those basically, if you use, and I'd appreciate it if you would use my affiliate link. You don't have to, but if you do use my affiliate link, it does pay me a small commission. And those small commissions help me do things for you guys, like giveaways, and help me keep this channel going. It helps me pay my cell phone bill, which is what I record on, is my cell phone. It helps me pay my electric bill, which is how I have a ring light and able to have electricity to make videos, if it's, you know, at night or whatever. So I appreciate anybody that would use my links. It doesn't cost you a thing. It doesn't affect the price of the item or anything. All it does is help me out. Amazon takes care of that between me and Amazon. So moving on. Okay, the first item. The first item, and I've talked about these, are these two books. Now I apologize if this one looks like crud, but my girl got a hold of the book. She obviously wanted to read it and thought it was a good book. So she had that in her mouth and I had to save it. So I got these. These were a 2-pack. Now I paid $17 on Amazon for not for both books, but they came together. I looked it up on Walmart, and this book was this book was $8.79. This book was $8.48. That makes $17.27. So I saved a whopping 27 cents by using Amazon. Now, when I was at my Walmart looking for personal development books, which if you saw that vlog, that was in that vlog, they did not even have these books in store. I would have to order these online. So I'd still have to wait. And let's be honest, Amazon Prime comes quicker than, I mean, they're on top of that. Okay, the next item is, again, I didn't save a ton of money, and they didn't have this exact case on Amazon or on Walmart's website, but they did have something similar. Not that long ago, about 2 months ago, my phone fried. I had a Samsung Note, and it was old. I had used the bejeebus out of that phone. I love that phone. So I went to Verizon and I had to get a new phone, and I got the Ultra. And now, you know, when you get a new phone, you have to get new accessories for it, new phone case, new whatever. And honestly, I'm pretty good with a phone. Now I say that, and watch today, I'm going to drop and break this phone, but I'm not known to be a person who drops their phone all the time. I keep hold of my phone all the time. And on my old phone, I had a power case, kind of like this. And I had gotten that because I'm on my phone so much. I do like to check my social media. I watch YouTube videos. I use it. I check grades. I do all kinds of stuff on my phone. So when I got the new phone, that was the first thing. I came home and I got the phone case. I looked up phone cases, chargeable phone battery cases on Walmart, and they have them for $35.64. I had paid $31.80 for the Samsung Ultra phone case, and this is just great. I can go all day. I can go over 12 hours, and I'm on my phone literally all day. Now, if I'm sitting on the couch, sometimes I will plug it in, but I can go, sometimes I'm up till 2 o'clock in the morning doing YouTube research, and my phone's going strong. So, and that's with me being on it all day, you know, recording and that sort of thing. So I had saved $3.20. I mean, I know it's not a lot of money, but that $3.20 adds up. That's something I could buy at the, you know, an extra item I could buy at the Target dollar spot or something. So anyway, now this item I've talked about a lot, and I'll link videos down in the description bar. You can go, if you want to see the inside of this, you can. But it's my planner, again, still with the eyelashes on it. They didn't have this exact planner The planners that they had were $34.99 for a hardcover, good quality, comparable planner to this one. And I paid $19.29 for my planner. So if you've seen my videos and you like that planner, it's under $20. So that's the other item I wanted to tell you about. I have a few more. Hold on. Next item is my scale that I use every day. It looks like this. And these are where your feet go. So one foot goes here, one foot goes here. And I like this because there's an app on my phone. And when I use the app, not only does it record my weight, but it will tell me things. And I'll insert a picture like right here. It will put, it measures like it measures things like your water weight, how much your muscles weigh, how much your bones weigh, and it breaks everything down for you, and you can monitor your protein level and everything. Now they tell you that it's just like an estimate, but I find that information with me trying to lose weight helpful. It tells you your BMI, everything, and it's just very convenient, and you can set it up for multiple users in your home. You can set it up to do a couple different things. Now, Walmart has one brand. It's a little bit different than mine, and it's $29.99. I paid $19.99 for my scale, so that saved me $10. So that is my scale. This is my dishwasher. I do not have room in this tiny little kitchen for a dishwasher. If I put a dishwasher in, I would lose cabinet space. So I'm going to show you the inside of it. I did dishes yesterday, and I always put my sponge in here to disinfect it. But it holds, I don't know if you can tell, it holds a lot. So as you can tell, it holds a lot. I have a cutting board in there. I have my dishes, some mugs. This is just perfect for one single person. Now it is supposed to fit, oh, you can see my hole where my cabinet fell down. It is supposed to hold, or I'm sorry, supposed to fit on the cabinet or on the counter, but my counter is not tall enough, as you can tell, for that cabinet to sit on. For that dishwasher to sit on. So I keep it on a cart. That is my dishwasher. Now they have the exact same dishwasher at Walmart for $361.95. I paid $297.28, so I saved $235 by using Amazon. And this came with Prime, so it was quick. Okay, this is my last item, and it's probably one of my most used items. It is the Bissell Turbo Clean Power Brush Pet, and it's basically a deep cleaner for your carpets, whatever. Now, I originally had gotten this when Pandora was a baby, because when I got her, she was not potty trained. She was trained to go potty on a pee pad. So, I know, hi. Breaking her of that it took me about a week to get her potty trained, which really is not bad. Hi, baby. You want to be in the video? You guys say hi? You guys say hi to everybody? Can you sit down? Okay. Sit down. We listen really well. I got a lot of use out of this, especially in the beginning when Pandora was a baby. I mean, she's completely potty trained now, but especially in the beginning. Now, when I want to do like deep clean this rug or spot clean, this is perfect. I just pull it out and do it. Now, she hates it. She hates the sound of it, but she also does not like the sound of the vacuum either. So it does do well at picking up her hair. You can't see, but this has been rinsed and cleaned out, and there's still like some hair in there. But remember, she has long, thick hair. So I pick up a lot of hair in my house. So this item, like I said, they don't have Walmart does not have the Turbo Clean Power. I have to have my notebook, sorry. The Turbo Clean Power Brush Pet. They've made a name change to it, and their version is $235. I got this on Amazon for $99.99. So I saved $135 and a penny. Well, those are the items that I wanted to share with you that I have saved money with. I hope that you enjoyed this and got something out of it. Like I said, there's links to each item down in the description box. And if you use my affiliate links, I thank you more than you'll ever know. And make sure, especially if you're new here, that you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Bye.